We're also going to connect an angle grinder that operates at 220 volts and requires 800 watts of power. We didn't notice any variations in the rotor speed because we've eliminated magnetic braking. When we turn off the switch, the motor stops receiving power and the machine stops. To further demonstrate the reliability of our prototype, we're going to test it outdoors, where an external power connection is impossible. The power generated by the Liberty engine is so stable that we can even connect delicate electronic devices, like this iMac computer. You can see there are no houses or power sources nearby.